You can go for that one. Right, you can start that one.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, I
Sir,
can
my
hear.
screen is okay, sir.
Yes, yes, we can see the screen. Others also can see the screen, I suppose, right?
Okay, good morning, everyone. So, I hope you are familiar with our topic. So, I'm Shalika Koskola. So, let's move to the presentation. So, names and memes. So, first, this is my plan for today. So, what first we talk about the what are the memes. Then we talk about a little bit of application of memes. Then finally, we are talking about future trendies and possible development in memes. And same wise, we are talking about names and the applications and future indices. So let's we move to the what are the names. So I think we are familiar now with. So I also added some definitions. So micro electromechanical system names is the integrate of mechanical elements, sensors, actuators, and electronics of common silicon substances through microwave technology. So, and microsystem is engineering system that could contains MEM components. So I think we are familiar with these images, and you can see how small them. So, and also, and I here add some very nice clarification that that means the MEMS do connect all of four things that MEMS can actually do. So sense means a movement, vibration, pressure, and those things, and the thing part that's collect information, analysis data, interpret data, and the communicate part that send information, provide outputs, and the act means that's respond to character. And these all of the things are done in the MEMS application. So let's we move to the type of device. Actually, we are experience those things and daily drives and also special things and the pressure sensors, actuators, and micro mirrors and rear trains, and those things actually we see in the our day-to-day life and the lot of applications. So let's we move to the application of MEMS. So when we move to the application of MEMS, lot of consumer products, aerospace, and this was used in aerospace and also very technical, and the futuristic things developed in that, and automotive, biomedical, chemicals, and optical displays, and those things actually we are developing with these things. And you can see the first image, you can see how is compatible with the vehicle. So we all have even bike also, that also in future, and also nowadays there's a lot of options with those things, and those all of the things act very compatible and very reliable, and driving system, safe system, all are developed with those things. So let's we move to the another application of this is very nice example that, because I add this cardio memes, actually in the future, actually this is not very it will not be very good, because in the future there will be a lot of problems in our health. So for that, actually these type of things will save us, because in this example you can see this part is fixed for our heart and it can monitor. And then the main thing is you all experience that heart patients are very in the daily life is very risky, because they cannot guarantee if they are ill in anywhere. So but if we in this element that communicate all of the things, that things mean that the physicians or we are connecting our peoples. And also if I am patient, I can also monitor my heart things, and if it will be very dangerous situation, we can go to hospital, and the physician also know. So it will be very good things. And also those are the applications. So future trendings, I add this one very nice thing, because actually in future in the autonomous and electrical vehicles fields will be in very good area, because Actually, in the future, we have to think about our fuel, the energy saving side, because nowadays when conventional methods are day by day, it's aspiring, because in future actually we are facing the huge impact of loss of energy that all the fuel are losing. So in that we have to go to the electric. I don't know, the electric also is generated with the fuel. So that time actually we have to think about saving our energy. For that actually MEMS do very great job, because in a MEMS level actually that lot of things are lot of energy saving and it's very compatible. And also in the future you can see we can go a very huge level, that autonomous driving, and also with the AI intelligence systems, actually we can develop them, and people have very safe in level 4 situation. So I think level 4 is now Tesla cars has that high and fully automation, but it is not now in the practical scenario. So but in future definitely it will be very practical and we can go for that one. So let's we move to the name section. So what are the names? So names or nano electric mechanical systems are similar to MEMS but smaller. They hold promise to improve abilities to measure small displays and process at the molecule scale. There has two approaches. The first one is top-down approach, the other one is bottom-up approach. In top-down approach, a set of tools designed to build a small set of tools, millimeter size. For example, millimeter size factory that builds micro-size factories, which is turns can be built nanometer size devices. So you can imagine it. So then the bottom-up approach can be through as putting together single atoms or molecules unit desired level combination and functionality has been created in the device. So I here add some information of single wall carbon nanotube. So that's a one atom thick. You can see that images, and also these are diameters nanotubes 100,000 times less than the diameter of the sewing needles. You can imagine it, and it's stronger than the steel wire. That's a diameter. If you get steel wire, that's diameter is same, is stronger perfect conductor, and also thermal conductor is better than the diamond. So, and also I here add carbon nanotubes, the two-side displacement, twist nanotube molecule and joint end-to-end Hexad diode. So molecular scale transfer can be manufactured. A strong relationship between nanotube electromagnet properties. Those properties actually the names applications actually those properties are using. So here the pictorial representation of the how scale is you can get is pictorial to your mind, so you can see how is smaller and how is compared. So let's we move to the applications and latest. I actually added this two images to give some factors for us, because in future actually you can see how nano area. So you can see nowadays electronics and the textiles, cosmetics, those areas largely used, but you can see how the our revenues get planned. This is the trend of the future. So as we are developing countries, we should think about this trend. Otherwise we cannot save, we cannot go for the future, because the conventional factory type, conventional agriculture, those are not good for the future. So we should understand this trend and we should invest for those areas. Actually we should learn these names things, and we should invest on those things and we can survive. Otherwise actually in going with the conventional methods, I don't think we can survive in the next few 10 years or 15 years. So most experienced thing is actually you all experience this agriculture sector in Sri Lanka nowadays. We are facing very huge situation, but the solution was nano urea. Actually, the fertilizers add to the soil. It's not very efficient and it harm a lot of people's health. But the nano scale, it's apply on the leaves and it absorb the tree. So that's very good and that's very practical example. So let's move to the application. So you can see where a nano type nano motor, that's very small level, and also those things actually I told earlier also there's a MEMS section also. The nano scale things motors actually it save lot of energy in the future that the human body actually we can add those type of very micro level robots we can make. Actually next slide also I am talking about that's very those things energized with the uh, magnetic field and the future. Actually I think nowadays we are finding superconductors to get the normal temperature. In the future actually that will be saving a lot of energy. That very micro level energy can be saved, and we can make very tiny machines without any that mean no lifetime, unlimited lifetime things we can make in future. That will be, I think, in the future those things make in this slide you can see bearing switches and frictionless, and it will save a lot of energy. And in future what will happen if we all some people have some gadgets in the hearts, and those things have some limited batteries, but in future actually those things will be save our lives and medical sector will be improved. So final section is future indices and possible developments. I choose this section and my colleagues lot of sections are choose, but I chose this to match the this current situation. So we all face about corona situations. Actually like these corona situations and other things, actually in the future we can do it with the nano robots and nanobots. So nanobots we can actually we all vaccine. Actually vaccine is some kind of antibiotic, but the future we can do with the robots and the electronics things. Actually we can program it, the physicians will be programmers, so sometime we will save our lives with the next level. So thank you very much for listening. So I'm end of the presentation now. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you. You can remove that. Now next is Mr. Nehan